this video, I have a super fun video to share with you all. I hope you guys like this angle. I feel like y'all can see more of what I'm doing this way. Maybe tilt it down a little bit more. But anyways, I have a haul from this company called Miss A, and most of their items are only $1. So I was like, let me shop here because they have some really cool things. Shipping is about, what is it, like $3.95 I think, which isn't that bad. They do have some deals where sometimes shipping is only $1, and I did take advantage of that, so I do have another package coming, but that one is a little bit smaller. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to show you guys. I feel like I'm out of breath. But yeah, the company is called Miss A, and the website is shopmissa.com. I think they're based in Texas, by the way. So I'm not sure if that's the only physical store that they have in Texas, but I did see some videos where some people were actually going to the store. I don't have one near me, so if you live in Texas, you can probably just go straight there. It's like a Dollar Tree actually, but just for like beauty products. Most of their, like I said, most of their items are only $1, but the ones that are higher priced, I think the cents go to like a charity or something like that. Yeah, I think they do. Yeah, the cents go to like a charity, which is so cool. It says right here, supporting charities. Oh, it has other stuff here too. Supporting charities, cruelty-free makeup, $1 makeup and accessories, feel-good ingredients, which is so fun. By the way, I already unboxed this, but I'm doing a unboxing on camera for you guys. I've tried a few of the products already, but nothing too serious. Like, I didn't go and try all of them because I want to do a review for you guys, like on camera, like a first impression type of thing. But the first item I'm going to pull out here is the LA colors. I forgot to mention, most of the items in here are lip glosses and lip balms. Because if you guys didn't know, I don't really wear makeup like on my face type of stuff. I only do like lips. So yeah, flavored lip glosses and lip balms. I'm so excited. Okay. I keep saying okay, so we have here LA colors. I have it in the flavor Tropical Punch. I'm pretty sure I've seen this at the Dollar Tree probably, so you can probably pick this up at the Dollar Tree. They probably have other flavors too. But yeah, I have this one. I can't wait to try this one out. I'm probably gonna do a whole video on this, where like I'm trying it, like first impressions type of video, and I'm gonna like unbox it on there, on that video. But yes, that's the LA colors. I really like that color too, by the way. I hope it's not like too pigmented on my lips, because I don't really like to wear, you know, pigmented things. Okay, the next item I'm going to show you guys, well, it's two, because I have two things from the same brand. This is the brand Beauty Treats, glitter lip gloss, sparkly lip gloss with fruit flavor, and I have it in this pretty like purpley plum color here, and I have it in an orange color. I'm not sure if these two have different scents, but I did try this one, and I'm not really sure what that flavor is. It just smells like fruity flavor, I guess. But yeah, I really do like these, and I don't really wear glitter glosses, so this is something kind of new for me. I mean, I've worn it before, but I don't really wear glitter glosses like that. You guys, this looks like it's separating, right? I can probably like fix that. I don't know. We'll try something out. But yeah, I have these two. I'm super excited, you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell. I just really like lip glosses and lip balms, like flavored lip stuff is just so fun. But yeah, these, and I have 3 of these like roll-on, this is like super hard to get out. Okay, 3 of these like roll-on lip glosses. I know you guys remember these like from the 90s, early 2000s. But yeah, I have 3 of them, and these 2 are from the brand BR Lip Glow Kissing Fruit Gloss. I have I have one in the scent strawberry and the other one is blueberry. I do want to smell these on camera though. I already smelled them, but I want to let, that smells so good. Like fruity and like very sweet. I want you guys to know like what these smell like. And the blueberry one, it smells like scented dolls, but it does like bring me back to like my childhood. It smells so good, like very sweet. And I have this one. This one is in a different brand. It's called She Makeup. This is in the brand, this is in the flavor grape. and this is the one that I actually tried already. That smells so good. It smells like grape candy. Yeah, so good. I think this is probably going to be my favorite one. I don't know what it is about grape flavored stuff, but that's like my favorite. Grape and lime. Yes, I just like it. Okay, now I have 3 of these. If I can get it out. I can get it out. 3 of these Fruity Pop lip glosses. These are actually pretty small, but they're so fun. I have the mango one, apple, and pineapple one. You guys, I feel like this is going to be the first review I'm going to do, probably, because I'm super excited to try these. How many times did I say excited in this video, y'all? Count it out. So, you know, don't do that. Well, you can if you want, but I'm not, you know, forcing y'all to do that. But, yeah, this is like their, I think these are pretty popular with, on the website. Like, a lot of people really like these, and they buy these. For one thing, I know that they are pretty, like, I wouldn't say organic, but they have natural ingredients, I think. And they're cruelty free. And like the ingredients are like not filled with like all these chemicals and stuff. I think that's what it said on the page. But yeah, I'm super excited to try these. And these are all clear glosses. Yeah, they're all clear. Yes, so I have those, and I have these 2 lip balm things. And the brand, this is the brand Starry Magic Lip Balm, and it's in these little fun packagings. I really like these. I have them in the scent grape. Does these look like blueberries, y'all? They look like blueberries. Maybe they're like the I don't know what kind of grapes those are. And pomegranate. I have it in the flavor pomegranate. I already smelled this one. It smells fruity. It smells pretty good. I really like how it looks. Like, I don't want to mess it up. But I have to try this. I have to. They smell really good. Now I kind of want to smell the, oh crap. I want to smell this one. Yeah, let's smell the grape. You guys, there's just something about grape. I don't know what it is. There's just something about grape scents, grape flavors. I don't know, you guys. So the last 2 products that I have here are these lip balms in the flavors key lime and cake batter. I've already smelled this one, and this one smells pretty good. Like, it does smell like key lime. That smells really good. And I have this cake batter one that I'm going to be doing a review. I kind of want to do a first impression with that, because I want this to blow my mind, and I want to catch it on camera, okay? Even though I could do it now, but I want to do a whole separate video for that. But yeah, you guys, that is all of the products that I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 products in all. So that's $13 plus $3.95. So I paid $16.95 for all of this fun stuff. But like I said, sometimes they do like this little promotional deal thing where they have only, the shipping is only $1. So you have to catch that. And like I said, I did get another package, which is actually smaller package. Only got 5 things in that one, so that one came up to only $6. Which is still a very good deal. Like $1 shipping, if you can catch it at $1 shipping, then you better just go ham, okay? Like just get whatever you can, whatever you want to get at that time. I'm not sure how often they do that, but I do want to try to, you know, catch it at that time. Okay. But yeah, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.